Hello my dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins again. Since we Lithuanians are so obsessed with our fried bread, I present to you fried bread and cheese salad. So this is kind of a traditional salad that is made either for Christmas time or celebration time. So let me show you how to make this. I've got my garlic bread. So this is black bread that I fried and put some garlic and salt on. I'll link the video above and below how you can make your own fried garlic bread without using too much oil. However, this does contain some oil, so this is not completely oil-free recipe. My mayo is homemade, so it doesn't have any oil. But the bread, the fried bread, has some oil, but you could potentially kind of make the croutons of bread in the oven without using oil. So you could potentially do that. So this is about 5 slices of bread that I've cut up. I've got about 100 grams of this kind of cheddar style vegan cheese from Sainsbury's. This one is their kind of free from section, but any cheddar style cheese would work. And I want to slice it into little tiny squares here, so I'm just doing into little strips and then doing into small little tiny squares. You could also use grated cheese as well if that's all you've got, that would work. So my cheese is sliced, so I'm going to just put everything together. So I'm going to add my fried breads into a bowl. I'm going to add 1 cup of I think it's pinto beans, so white beans. You want white bean, not a dark bean. It's better for this traditional salad, it's better a white bean. Then I'm going to add my cheese pieces. Then I'm going to grate this apple. So I've got 1 apple, my own apple from our own garden that I've cored and also peeled. So I'm just going to grate it. If you don't want too much apple, you could do just half an apple. So 2/4 would probably be okay. But I do like the freshness of the apple. And any kind of apple would work. But sweet and sour apple like Braeburn works probably the best. Mine is sweet and sour. I don't know actually what brand or what variety it is, but it's kind of a zingy, sweet and sour one. I'm gonna do the whole apple, so a whole small apple. It really, don't skip the apple, put at least a little bit because it just adds really nice kind of freshness to this salad. Otherwise it's quite stodgy salad with all the other ingredients. And now probably about, a good 1/3 of a cup or probably up to 1/2 a cup of homemade mayo. I'll link the recipe down below. So this is oil-free mayo made from silken tofu and coconut yogurt. So it's completely oil-free. So much better for you. So we'll see if we need any more of mayo. You want quite a bit. We might need to add a little bit more. Because there's already salt on the garlic bread and there's salt in the mayo naturally, of course, as well, you need to taste test and see if you need any more salt. And the cheese obviously got its own salt, so you're probably not going to need additional salt here. So that looks quite a good coverage. You want it to be quite creamy. You don't want, you know, any bits of salad looking dry. I might add another tablespoon here just to make sure it's really nicely coated. And this salad gets better with time, so that's why I'm making it kind of night before, because tomorrow the mayo will soak into the bread a little bit and it'll kind of soften it more, and just like the flavors blend together and absorb as well. I've just taste tested it, and it does need a little bit of salt here. And to make it a little bit more garlicky still, I'm going to add a clove and a half of actual fresh garlic as well to this. I will just add that little bit more of a garlic flavor. So give it a mix. It needs a little tiny more pinch of salt, I think. And because our mayo is not very acidic, I'm gonna add a half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to this. Just a tiny bit, just to give this a slight more acidity to this salad. If you're using a store-bought vegan mayo, you're probably not going to need this because it'll be more acidic-y. And voila, you've got yourself a Lithuanian salad made vegan and much healthier with homemade mayo. And now taste testing this salad. So let me get a few bits of everything. Definitely has that traditional Lithuanian baked bread and cheese salad. Yeah, so delicious. I mean, it is not the healthiest of salads, I admit, but it's, you know, something Lithuanian, something that, you know, I remember from parties, Christmases and different occasions where, you know, you find this salad made. Yeah, and I really used to love it. So I'm glad that I was able to recreate it with healthier options like homemade mayo, and the bread that got much less oil when it's fried, with my little trick, which I'll link down below for you, how you can make your fried bread, Lithuanian type fried bread, less oily. So yeah, so let me know if you try this recipe. Let me know what you thought of it, if you ever tried it before. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you're new to this channel, welcome and subscribe for more videos. I upload healthy, whole food, plant-based and normally oil-free recipes. But since it's a festive season, since these are kind of just little memories from Lithuania, just some little things, I don't mind a little oil here and there. We're all human, right? So yeah, as long as this is not part of your staple diet, then I'm sure it'll not harm you long term, right? And as always, remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in your body. Until next time.